Hi friends. So today I have prepared a software testing interview questions on the scenario base. So if you are experienced in software testing, then definitely you will not going to get question like what is uh, sanity testing, what is smoke testing. You will be asked some scenario based question in real time. So for that, I have prepared a document and I have mentioned first question like if you have a production go live tomorrow, but you have a bug today, will you go ahead with the go live? So interviewer just want to know what do you think? What do you think? How do you handle? What is your thought on this? So for this question, you have to think, out of box. You cannot give answer in one line because it depends on many factors, and if you use all the factors in your answer, definitely interviewer will be impressed. So for that, I have mentioned like whether to proceed with a production go live despite discovering a bug depend on several factors I have already mentioned, including the severity of bug, the potential impact on user, the availability of a workaround, and readiness of a fix. You know what is severity? Severity means what is the impact of bug on working business flow. At first, we have to know what is severity. So, if bug is critical, I mean, we can define the severity in different way, like critical, major, minor, medium. So, if bug is critical, we cannot go ahead. Here is also here this is mentioned like the bug is critical. It caused data loss, security vulnerability, or major functionality failures. So it is generally advisable to delay the go live until the issue is resolved. As I said, with the critical bug, we cannot go ahead because it will be loss. We will be in very loss. It will be very cost. So we cannot go with critical bugs. So in this way, you have to give the answer. Now, if you talk about minor bugs, if bug is minor, it is not impacting business flow, and this is minor bug like there is a contact us page and there is some spelling mistake, so this is minor bug. We can rectify, we can fix in next release, so we don't have to think so much. We can go ahead and we can go live. There is already this is mentioned as well. If the bug is minor and doesn't significantly impact on the user experience or core functionality, the team might decide to proceed with the go live and address the bug in subsequent release. Okay, now impact on user. We have to know if the this bug can impact on big base. I mean, access the impact of the bug on end user. If the bug affect a small portion of the user base or involves non-essential features, it might be acceptable. It means if we are going to live and it is impacting some less amount of user and user, and even this is a non-essential feature like address of something, so we can go ahead, it can be acceptable. So we have to know this as well, like impact on users. Now we have next factor like workaround. If there is a feasible workaround that user can follow, the go live might proceed with the clear communication about the issue and instruction on how to mitigate it. If there is some another way, another some steps, another some feasible, like yeah, we if you are going live and if we follow this step while going to live, so we can go. So in this case, Communication should be transparent. So in this way, we can also handle. This is not much uh, issue. Now, another one is availability of a fix. If a fix is readily available and can be tested and deployed quickly, the team might choose to daily go live briefly to include the fix. If a fix cannot be developed and tested in time, the decision will depend on the severity and impact of the bug. So we can answer also like uh, for example, you have production live tomorrow at 6 p.m. And if you think like if you work with the help of teams, if you collaborate the teams like developer, tester can if work together, and if you think like yeah we can go live at 8 p.m. So yeah, you can take your 2 hour. You can take delay, little delay. So in this way you can give the answer like yeah I will take some time and I will go ahead. Communication. So already I mentioned like in this case communication should be transparent with stakeholders including clients and end user. Yeah, we cannot hide that. Yeah, we have bug, but we need to show to client. No, this is very wrong. So you have to tell the interviewer like no. In this case, communication should be transparent. Risk assessment. So through risk assessment should be conducted to the way the risk and benefit to proceeding with the go live and delaying it. So I mean, if you are uh, if you are taking some time and you are uh, getting delay in live, so you have to see the client or stakeholders like yeah if you have to I mean you have to measure the risk like if you are going with live so what will be in loss if we are uh, getting some delay so what will be benefit so in this way you have to tell the answer. Now ultimately the decision making, if you talk about decision making, you cannot decide alone. You have to schedule the meetings, and in meetings you have to invite your project stakeholders, managers, developers, QA team, and business analyst. All people will be gathered together, and where you have to decide like what can be done ahead. So the priority should always be on delivering a stable and reliable product that meets user expectation while balancing business needs and timelines. So it means if you have some issue, it doesn't mean you are getting late and you have some deadline, so you can go with issue. You have to balance your business needs and timelines. So in this way, you can answer this question. These are some factors you have to work on that. So I will attach this document in my description. You can download and you can go through and you can prepare in your own way. And I hope if you answer in using these factors, definitely interviewer will be impressed and definitely it question will be helpful. Okay, so thank you friends. I will make more videos on scenario based question because it will be very helpful. Thank you.